Tired of manually copying and pasting rows between Smartsheets? Learn how to move rows to another sheet in under 30 seconds. First, we'll open your sheet. Then, right-click the row, choose Row Actions, select Move to another sheet, pick the destination, and hit OK. First, navigate to your Smartsheet homepage. Then, open the sheet you want to work with. Right-click on the row you want to move. From the menu that appears, click on Row Actions. Then, select Move to another sheet. A dialog box opens. Choose the destination sheet from the drop-down. Once you've selected it, click OK to confirm. Your row is now moved. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.